Nowadays, every online store from small dropshipping one to Apple.com, Amazon, eBay, and million others highlight their features using simple icons with text. It's clear and user-friendly way to let your customers know the important information about making an order from your store. With Outline Features section app for Shopify, you can create beautiful, fully customizable sections for your online store using hundreds of built-in icons and choose from well-designed layouts. It's easy and works with any Shopify theme. Also, in just one click you can enable icon animations that are lightweight, work on any device, and grab attention of your customers perfectly. With Features section by Outline, you can highlight the advantages of your product, provide shipping information, or gain more trust by showing your points of strength below the Buy button on the product page. Install Features section app by Outline and boost your conversion today. Free plan available.